529 account rollover is a movement of funds from one state's 529 plan into a different state's 529 plan. There are a few reasons you might consider a rollover. Perhaps you have moved to another state and it offers different tax deductions. Or maybe you want to consolidate multiple accounts into one. You can easily roll over funds from one 529 plan to another, but it's important to pay attention to the details to ensure you don't incur any tax penalties. We'll walk you through the details in this video. New Mexico has one of the most favorable tax laws for 529 contributions by New Mexico residents. If you are a New Mexico resident, you can claim a state tax deduction on 100% of contributions to your 529 account from your state taxable income every year. In fact, New Mexico is one of only 4 states that offers an unlimited state tax deduction for contributions that are made by New Mexico residents to its official 529 plan. It's important to note that some states, including New Mexico, require you to pay back previous tax deductions if you roll your funds over into another state's 529 plan or use your contributions for certain purposes. We recommend consulting a CPA or tax professional to ensure you won't incur tax penalties. According to federal law, you are entitled to one tax-free 529 rollover within a 12-month period per beneficiary. This rule is per beneficiary, not per plan. For example, if you have a New Mexico 529 for your daughter and her grandparents have another account in a separate state's plan for her, you will need to make sure they have not completed a rollover in the last 12 months before you complete yours. There are 2 ways to complete a rollover. Log into your account and select Rollover from another 529 from the drop-down menu. Or you can fill out and mail in a rollover form. There is a difference between a rollover, a transfer, and a change of beneficiary. A 529 plan rollover is when you move funds from one state's 529 plan to another state's plan. As noted above, only one rollover per beneficiary can be completed in a 12-month period. A transfer is when you transfer funds from one beneficiary's account to another beneficiary's account within the same state's plan. There is no penalty or limitation on transfers as long as the transfer is made to a qualifying family member. A change in beneficiary is when you change the beneficiary on your 529 account from one person to another. You may change the beneficiary on an account without any limitation or tax repercussions as long as the new beneficiary is a qualifying family member. There are many reasons you might consider a 529 rollover. The education plan offers low fees, flexible investment options, and very favorable tax benefits for New Mexico residents. If you're considering rolling over funds into an account with the education plan, our team would be happy to answer questions you may have and complete the rollover. For more information about 529 college saving plans, follow us on our social media channel.